It's been absolutely incredible. We have Fiona here at our halfway home. It's a long way from where she's come from down to Dumfries, our final destination at Dalscone. So she's in this beautifully bedded pen. She has hay, she has water for the evening. She'll be absolutely fine. She's in great condition anyway. She'll be absolutely fine. She's very relaxed. Just wanted to say thank you for all the kind messages that myself and the team have received today. Very, very appreciated. You are a great bunch. And I just wanted to comment on the fact that we've been saying some crazy stories about Marines going to make a plan to go and get the sheep and various other things. I want to talk more about that tomorrow because I think there's been a lot of money sent to a lot of random things, and I think that needs addressed, and we'll talk about that tomorrow. But what I hate, the reason the five of us got together to do this was that so much on social media was that the farmers don't care. They don't care, they're just letting this sheep wither away and die down there. And that wasn't the case at all. The farmers do care. It was just an extremely treacherous position this sheep was in, extremely dangerous, and sometimes, like today, you just need a group of idiots to get the job done. And we had 5 idiots today that got away with it.